Hi guys, we're going to talk about a plant called hospital is two-far plant, commonly known as a cartilage vegetable, which is scientific name is Jatropha tajurensis. It's a green plant which, like its name, is administered in most medical cases. The doctor uses it to treat so many problems. Hospital two-far plant is grown in the southern parts of Nigeria and other parts of the world. So if you come to Nigeria or any part, you might see this plant. It has a lot of benefits. It helps with a super antioxidant. It helps in treatment of diabetes mellitus. It also is good in treatment of malaria. So how you're going to get these juices? Get the leaf, then squeeze it into shreds. Make sure it's squeezed into shreds. Then after this, you have to add water to the shredded leaves to the required quantity you want, and after that you have to sieve it using a filter in order to separate the leaf from the juice. Filter the contents out so that you'll be able to extract the juice very carefully now, so that all the leaves will not follow, so after that you have the main juice, which is green in color. Like you have seen, it is very green in color. So after this, you have to turn it into a glass. After turning it into a glass cup, it is ready to drink. So you can go ahead and drink it. If you really want to see it, I want you to drink it. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below the video. Thank you.